Huamei Wanbang product introduction. Stainless steel shoe cabinet. Function positioning. To store employees' casual shoes and slippers. The partition structure. To separate the dirty and clean areas. To avoid cross-contamination. Stainless steel locker. It is used to store employees' personal coats and items, separated from work clothes, effectively avoiding cross-contamination. It's made of 3-0 for stainless steel. The drying and disinfection cabinet is positioned to store work clothes. It has timing drying and ultraviolet and ozone disinfection functions. It can adjust the temperature. Open the door. The ultraviolet light will automatically turn off. ABS locker. It is used to store employees' personal coats and items, and placed separately from work clothes, effectively avoiding cross-contamination. It has mechanical lock and mechanical code, and electronic password lock are optional. Stainless steel hanger. It's used to hang clean work clothes. It is used for employees in the second area to wear work clothes. The water boot cabinet is positioned to store work boots. It has timed drying and ozone disinfection functions. It can adjust the temperature. Drying shoe rack. Functionally located. Work boots drying and disinfection equipment. It uses heating, air supply and ozone disinfection, ensuring the work boots are dry and sterile. It is divided into curved and straight tubes. It can adjust the temperature. Timed drying. Ozone disinfection. Smart hand washing basin. Function positioning. It is used for hand washing and disinfection before work. It is fully automatic with photoelectric induction, without manual intervention. It has single, double, and triple stations. Customizable sizes. Boot washing, hand washing, disinfection, access control integrated machine. Function positioning. Integrates for functions of boot washing, hand washing, disinfection. It is set in front of the air shower room. It completes the cleaning process in one stop. Air shower room. Function positioning. It's a necessary passage to enter the clean room. It removes dust carried by personnel. To remove the dust carried by personnel, it effectively blocks or reduces dust sources from entering. The front and rear doors are electronically interlocked. It also acts as an airlock. It is divided into manual door and sliding door. Small boot washer. It is set in the food workshop, at the back door of the changing room, to facilitate employees to clean the oil stains and dirt on the soles and boots, and disinfect them. Double station manual boot washer is positioned to. It doesn't need electricity. A manual boot washing device that uses water directly. It is suitable for limited budgets or small workshops. The intelligent high-pressure cleaning and disinfection system. It is positioned to provide food factories a centralized and intelligent cleaning and disinfection solution. The system transports high-pressure water cleaners and disinfectant to each workshop's cleaning and disinfection site to achieve high-pressure water flushing, foam spraying, and spray disinfection. The intelligent high-pressure washing and disinfection station. Its function is integrating high-pressure water flushing, foam cleaning, and spray disinfection in one comprehensive hygiene cleaning. It can be optionally equipped with manual or automatic reels. Select plunger pump for high-pressure scenarios, and a centrifugal pump for regular use. Washing and disinfection substation integrated machine. Function positioning. It integrates high-pressure water flushing, foam cleaning, and spray disinfection in one. It needs to be used with a disinfection system. Washing and disinfection stations. It needs to be used with a disinfection system. Intelligent high-pressure washing and disinfection machine. Function positioning. It's movable without installation. It integrates high-pressure water flushing, foam cleaning, a comprehensive hygiene washing and disinfection equipment. Mobile foam machine. Function positioning. Lightweight mobile foam washing and disinfection workstation. Mainly pneumatic and no electricity. And full mobility. Combining foam cleaning and spray disinfection. Function positioning. The whole series is made of food-grade PP nylon, which meets FDA food contact standards. High temperature resistance and multi-color zoning management. It is suitable for meat hot pot ingredients, slaughter and cooked food processing table, daily material collection, production, and cleaning operations. It is perfectly matched with high-pressure cleaning equipment. The central ozone disinfection system. Function positioning is centralized air and water and surface integrated disinfection solution through central air conditioning pipelines or independent pipes to evenly deliver ozone to each functional room, achieving a sterilization rate of 99.9 plus. Wall-mounted air disinfection equipment. It is a space disinfection device. It includes dynamic coexistence of man and machine, used for work and production. Static ozone deep disinfection, for off-duty static ozone sterilization. UV air disinfector. Function positioning. UV and ozone dual modes. All-day coverage. Human-machine coexistence. During the shift, self-circulation in the chamber with UV. Ozone static sterilization after work. No fumigation. Timing and remote control dual modes. It matches various application scenarios.